Dear students, today let us discuss exercise 3.1 of the chapter A Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. Here is the first problem. Let me read the problem first. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Dear students, read the question twice, always. It is better to read each question twice. Here, Aftab is comparing his age with his daughter's age in two ways. See here, 7 years ago, he is comparing his age with his daughter's age, and also 3 years from now, he is comparing his age with his daughter's age. Students, if you know their present ages, then you can compare these two situations. So let us assume the present age. Let the present age of Aftab be X years. The present age of daughter be Y years. Now you can easily calculate their ages 7 years ago and their ages 3 years from now. First one, 7 years ago. Aftab's age was, we have to subtract 7 from the present age. Is it not? X minus 7 years. Daughter's age was Y minus 7 years. We have to subtract 7 from their present ages because we have to compare their ages 7 years ago. So here, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. That means Aftab's age, that is X minus 7, 7 times his daughter's age, Y minus 7. X minus 7 is equal to 7Y minus 49. So 7Y is equal to X minus 7 plus 49. We have to transpose. 7Y is equal to X plus 42. So Y is equal to X plus 42 by 7. So we have got one equation. Now another comparison is there. That is 3 years from now. 3 years from now. Once again, Aftab's age will be, his present age is X. 3 years from now means we have to add 3 more years. X plus 3 years. Her daughter's age will be Y plus 3 years. We have to add 3 in both the cases. Once again, we have to compare their ages. Aftab's age, in the problem it is given 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. That means Aftab's age is 3 times his daughter's age. So x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. 3y is equal to x plus 3 minus 9. You have to transpose. 3y is equal to x plus 3 minus 9. 3y is equal to x minus 6. That is y is equal to x minus 6 by 3. So we have two equations. One is y is equal to x plus 42 by 7. Other one is y is equal to x minus 6 by 3. So we have represented algebraically the conditions. Now we need to draw the graph. So one equation is y is equal to x plus 42 by 7. The other one is y is equal to x minus 6 by 3. So we have to locate 2 points on the graph, x and y here also. When x equals 0, what happens? Y equals 0 plus 42 is 42 by 7. So 7 6 are. So when x equals 0, y equals 0 plus 42 by 7, that is 42 by 7, that is equal to 6. When x equals 0, y is 6. When x equals, so it is a multiple of 7, so we have to increase or decrease it by 7. So if we add 7, it becomes 49, so that it get cancelled 7 times. 7 sevens are 49, therefore x equals, I will take x equals 7, so that it will be easy to plot the points and to draw the graph. So y is equal to 7 plus 42 by 7, that is 49 by 7, that is equal to 7. So here x equals, when x equals 0, y equals 0 minus 6 by 3, that is minus 3 by 6 minus 2. When x equals, you can take 3. Y equals 3 minus 6 by 3, that is minus 3 by 3, that it becomes minus 1. 3, this is minus 1. So we have to draw the graph for both the equations. Dear students, one thing you should remember while drawing the graph, scale is very important, and where to draw x graph and y graph also very important. It depends on the values we have obtained. Okay, so let me draw the graph. One is this is 0, 6 and 7, 7. Here the scale is x-axis 2 units is equal to 1 centimeter, y-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, like that. Here y-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. So first one I have to plot. Which one? First point is, the coordinates of the first point is 0, comma 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one. Another one is the coordinates of another point 7, comma 7. That is 2, 4, 6. This midpoint is 7 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have obtained 0, comma 6, one point. Another one is 7, comma 7. Another graph is, let me draw the line first. So we have drawn the graph for the equation that is x my 7x, that is 7y is equal to x plus 42. 7, this is the equation. 7y is equal to x minus 7, or whatever you can write this one only. Y is equal to x plus 42 by 7. Next is, we have to draw another graph. 0, minus 2. The coordinates of one point is 0, minus 2. 0, minus 2. 3 and minus 1 here. 3 and minus 1. In x-axis 3 means it comes here. 3 and minus 1 here.